everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Shakia and I'm a licensed esthetician as well as a stay-at-home mom and wife. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. Super easy, super beginner friendly. So the products that I'll be using in today's video for my eyebrows is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Chocolate Brow Power Duo. I've hit pan. I'm using whatever is left in this compact, but it normally has two colors and I'm in the shade chocolate. I feel like powder is very beginner friendly, so if you haven't tried out a brow powder for your eyebrows, definitely look into trying it. The next product is obviously their brow brush. I think this is theirs. It could be from another brand, but I'm pretty sure. Either way, you just want a brow brush. So we have the angled brush right there, as well as the spoolie at the other end. So I haven't gotten my eyebrows waxed or threaded. I haven't gotten them threaded in forever because I just feel like a lot ends up getting taken off and I really want to grow my brows out as much as possible. So what I do first in this video, I don't always do this, I skip this step a lot of times actually, and my makeup comes out fine. So yeah, but if you are someone who also needs to clean up your brows but you don't want anybody to touch them right now, then just use a concealer that's close to your skin tone and go underneath your brow first. And I use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and I use the shade Truffle just to go under and clean up my brows. Very optional, I don't always do that, but for the sake of the video I did. What I do, because I've hit pan, is swirl all around in the compact, but then you want to outline my brow underneath and then the tail end, the middle to the tail end, and then you'll notice that I start filling in my brow with upward strokes. And I even extend my brow because my brow does not go as far inward, but you will notice that I'm filling in the inner brows and extending them a little bit because I just like that look. And then you are all done with your brow. What I like about this brow duo is that you can make your eyebrows look really natural. Like on days when I'm not wearing makeup and I just want to fill in my eyebrows, I feel like I can achieve a natural brow without it looking too harsh or too much on bare skin. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was easy enough for you and that you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, definitely give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment on any questions you may have, and I will see you on my next one.